Hi there, this is the ear sound, as in the words year, here, and really. Ear is a diphthong sound, which means it's a combination of two vowel sounds that are produced within the same syllable. The ear sound is a combination of the vowels I and Like all vowels, the diphthongs are made through the mouth and they're voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to produce the sound. Unlike with vowels and consonants, when you pronounce a diphthong sound, your mouth will change position as you say the sound, because they're a combination of two sounds. So as you say the ear sound, your mouth will start on the position of the I and finish on the position of the sound. So in this case, we're going from an unrounded mouth shape, like we're smiling, I, to a more relaxed mouth shape, and at the same time allowing our mouth to open a little as we move to the sound. Ear, ear, ear. One of the most difficult things about learning English is the spelling. This is because spelling is often not phonetic, especially with the vowels and diphthong sounds. So you'll find the ear sound spelled in many different ways, but it's often spelled with the letters E or EA, as in the words area, clear, material, and here. Not many words start with the ear sound, but one you should know about is the word ear. Here are some words with the ear sound in the middle. Real, experience, nearly, and period. And here are some words with the ear sound at the end. Idea, appear, near, and career. So that's it for the ear sound. We've also made videos on each of the phonetic sounds, which you can see by clicking on these links. We've also made videos on the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, consonant pairs, and single consonants, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. We regularly post new videos. So if you like this video and want to improve your English, please click here to subscribe to our channel. At the English Language Club, we also offer live classes online via Skype or Google Hangouts. So visit our website now to make a booking with me or one of our other teachers. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.